Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply turn off the notifications or how you can manage notifications in Microsoft Teams. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Microsoft Teams and then just click on left top corner, and then you have two options how you can turn off the notifications. Just click on the third panel on notifications here, and now you're gonna select the required hours. Then you can edit where you won't get any notifications. And then you're gonna see the configure notifications. You can just turn it off in your mobile app. And then you meeting start, none. So you won't get any notifications for meeting. And then I just recommend having the quiet hours or even quiet days if you want to have let's go with the Sunday and Saturday, and these days no one will able to contact you, or they will be able to contact you, but you won't get any notifications that they are contacting you. So that's how it goes and that's how it works. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.